Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for June 30th through July 12th. The pattern for June 30th through July 4th will remain highly amplified for this time of year with a ridge over the Great Basin here and a trough in the east. We also have a trough from the Aleutian extending towards Hawaii. And the models are in good agreement with this solution. We're going to go now to the 4th. And we see we still have our pattern, and this is very strong heights. Look at this, 594, centered here across the Great Basin region. Now, the strong ridge in the west will cause above normal temperatures from the Great Basin, West Coast, Northern Rockies, with anomalies near 18 degrees above normal. As you can see right here, 18 degrees around here. Elsewhere around the area, it'll be closer to maybe 6 to 10 degrees above normal. And further east, several disturbances rotating around the upper trough and across the northeast will bring bouts of rain and clouds and everything. This will keep temperatures below normal with anomalies approaching near maybe about 6 degrees below normal. Go look now at the period for July 3rd to the 7th. Here we are at the 4th again, and we still have our anomalous ridge here, our trough near the Aleutians, and we're going to go now to the 7th, and we don't see very little change. Actually, this ridge starts to expand because more broader covering much of the west. And some of the models have the ridge further to the west and weaken the trough somewhat. And we're going to go here and look at the models here. See, it drops down to 588. Then it goes back to 500. Some of the models keep it 599, 588. It just weakens slightly. And the trough, you can see, is centered a little bit to the west across the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley, and Midwest. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures for this region, and the temperature anomalies for this forecast period. I'm forecasting in the above normal temperature region be up to 12 degrees above normal. That would be again in the west, and in the below normal temperature area, Mississippi, Great Lakes region, Ohio Valley, so forth, will have anomalies up to 8 degrees below normal. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation here with the monsoonal flow, and above normal precipitation for this region. We're going to look at the period now for July 8th to the 12th. Now, during this period, the pattern is forecast to be less amplified. You can see here, this is the GFS, almost a zonal flow with near above normal heights. And as we go on to the period, we're going to go to the 12th. The GFS remains the same, unchanged. Now, the GFS ensembles keeps the trough from Hudson Bay into the Great Lakes, near the above normal heights, almost a zone of flow. And so does this model, the European deterministics. And this is the Canadian, also the same. And also you can notice like they also build heights along the East Coast. Now the climate forecast system, I want to show you this. We're going to go to the 12th. Here we are. The 12th has above normal heights here, near normal heights across much of the area, and almost a zone of flow here. and so does the GFS. We're going to look at the GFS. Also has this, and here's the ridge goes up to about 591, but still about 594. It just weakens a little bit. However, some of them, like I said, some of the models have the trough over the Great Lakes. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures for this region. The anomalies for this period, I'm forecasting anomalies in the above normal area to be up to 10 degrees above normal, and in the below normal region, forecast temperatures to be up to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, I am calling for below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for this region, and here. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for June 30th through July 12th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.